Have you ever wondered why your energy levels seem to fluctuate, or why you sometimes feel bloated after eating? What if I told you that the key to unlocking your health lies in your gut? That's right. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of gut health and why balancing your gut can transform your life. Stay tuned as we uncover the signs of an imbalanced gut, the consequences of neglecting it, and share delicious juice recipes that can kickstart your journey to wellness. Your gut is more than just a digestive organ. It's home to trillions of microorganisms that impact everything from your immune system to your mental health. An imbalance in these tiny allies can lead to a cascade of health issues, but fear not, because today we'll show you how to nurture your gut back to health. First, let's talk about why gut health matters. Did you know that around 70% of your immune system is housed in your gut? A balanced gut can help you fend off illnesses and maintain your energy levels. Conversely, an imbalanced gut can trigger digestive discomfort, brain fog, and even more serious health issues. Let's dig into the signs that your gut might be sending you. Common signs of an unhappy gut include bloating, gas, food intolerances, and even skin irritations. If you're experiencing chronic fatigue or unexplained weight changes, your gut health might be at the root of the problem. Ignoring these signs could lead to more serious health concerns, including chronic diseases. So how do we achieve a balanced gut? Step 1. Let's rethink what we put into our bodies. Emphasizing the right foods is crucial for gut health. Start by integrating more probiotic foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut into your diet. These foods introduce beneficial bacteria into your system. And don't forget prebiotic foods. Think garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. These fiber-rich foods are like fertilizer for healthy gut bacteria. Combine those with whole grains, colorful fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts. Juice recipes for gut health. But wait, there are also foods we need to avoid to keep our gut happy. Steer clear of processed foods, sugars, and artificial sweeteners. They can promote the growth of harmful bacteria. Now, let's take it one step further with some delicious juice recipes that are not just tasty, but also pack a punch for your gut health. First up is our green gut health juice. We'll blend together fresh spinach, cucumber, a green apple, a squeeze of lemon, and a hint of ginger. Talk about a refreshing boost for your gut. Next, we have our beaten carrot elixir. With vibrant beets, crisp carrots, zesty orange, and a touch of turmeric, this juice is practically a rainbow of nutrients. And who can resist our pineapple mint digestive juice? With sweet pineapple, refreshing mint, and a splash of lime, it's like a tropical getaway for your gut. So, as we wrap up, remember that taking care of your gut health is more than just a trend. It's a vital part of overall well-being. By making small, consistent changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can significantly improve your gut health. Don't wait for tomorrow, start today. Pay attention to what your body is telling you and make those necessary adjustments. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if you found this information helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the importance of gut health together. Thank you for watching and take care. These juices are not just delicious, they're designed to nourish your gut, providing the probiotics and nutrients your body craves. Remember, balancing your gut takes time and commitment, but the benefits are well worth it. To balance your gut, remember to stay hydrated, engage in regular exercise, prioritize sleep, and manage stress. All these elements work together to create a harmonious gut environment. So, are you ready to take charge of your gut health? Share your favorite gut-friendly recipes and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with friends who might need a little help in their gut health journey. Cheers to a happy gut and healthier you. Until next time, nourish your body and your life. Bye for now.